Good morning, disciples. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. As of yesterday, we had a bad day. As of today, we will see how market reacts. But already I am in the trade. Don't worry. We'll just do the analyze. And just I'll clear all those things. Start with a fresh trading journey. See, I actually this trade is I bought around yesterday. 12 something it was. 11, 12. Somewhere here I bought it. This trade is running at so around 11, 17. 27. Here I bought. Okay. So market was now it's in a sideways, but TikTok I used to got around 100 pips also. But to tell you all that yesterday many people were thinking that market will fall down and receive this. Okay, this is called as a trap trading. And now today chances are there because already 3 candle formation has been done, but no candles has been closed above this candle. Even till now you can see this as a inside candle only. Okay. You can see inside candle only. You see this. Just for a while we'll close it up because we have to analyze the market. See, as of now, for a day sweep is this is there. Indication candle formation is happening inside the candle. As of now, if you ask me, the market will try to come to this zone. Okay, this is the volume profile candle. It will try to come and respect this zone. So chances are there for today, not for yesterday, for today. And even we doesn't know that whether market will fall directly or again it may come and leave a wick, because this sellers market will first, new sellers it will take it outside. Okay, always remember that. And we can go sell side when means until this sweep is happening, recent sweep. Okay, this is day high and a day low. Okay, the 4 hours nearby if you see means this is the liquidity is close is happening, and this indication candle has been closed, has been done. That is 0.5 lots only. That's okay, not too sure. Handle it, don't worry. See, this zone now it's act as a support zone. You can consider as a support. And where is the resistance? We have a resistance on this one. That is stronger resistance. As of now, that's a strongest resistance. If this resistance breaks it out, if this resistance breaks it out, definitely we can see market in this zone. Because news are there, market will first, what it will do is market will try to fall for a downside. So to show that market is in strength for this one, I think market will sweep this, then it may follow. Two scenarios are there. Always market will give a 2 scenarios. First, if market wants to go upside, it will say that I'm going to fall. It will break it here and it will show that I'm going to fall. Then immediately what it will make is a one bullish candle, hammer candle or anything, it will make it up and then it will break it up. People who wants to buy from here, they should wait for the pullback and then buy. And people who want to sell it down, for a sellers, what I'm saying is wait for this zone breakout, entry and target. So like this only you should trade. Always you should choose both the scenarios. You don't know what is going to happen in the market as of now. Okay, so that is the reason just I'm saying that always prefer to be the both the sides. If you want to trade for this one, you trade it. If you want to do for that trade, you can trade it. Always market will give you two scenarios, either buy, either sell. We should choose which way we are going at, and most importantly, what is the big players are thinking about it. Retail traders and big players are differentiated only one thing. What retail traders thinking, they will be against on that. That's it. Big players will be against on that. If the candles shows, if example candles shows that market is more point to sell from the sellers out. Sorry, market is more interested to sell it from this zone, but what it will happen is people, most of the already sellers are interested in this zones. Okay, people will try thinking that okay, market will fall, they will keep the SLs over this zone. Market will first sweep the liquidity, then only it will fall down. This is how market works. Okay, it's market already running there. Just will keep this as a stop loss. That is the swing trade. You don't worry about it, because I am in swing trade. I am bullish. We'll trade it today, but that is a swing trade. Don't worry about it. So that is the reason just I. So we are almost in the zone where market is ready to fall. Bitcoin, if you see, Bitcoin is in a sideways zone. I think better to this zone is good for buyers as of now. Already from we bought from here. People who are want to try it from the zone is a 65 zone is a better choice. Okay, keep it that in the mind. This zone is a better choice. With a proper risk reward, they can plan it. This can be 1, this can be 2. Okay, because we have a recent trend line over here. Respecting trend line, recent trend line comparatively, market may take a support here, or if it's breaking down, then use it for a sell side. Sell side is not there. I don't think so. Sell side is not there in a Bitcoin. Even if you ask me, it is a worst idea. That is the worst idea. Don't go for sell. Already I got out from this stupidity, because now once the peace deal has been made it out, then it is waste, because the market will fall down, because the fight is happening only, market is trying to push it up. This is all because of Trump nonsense and stupidity only. See, every time you tweet that I am going to put a war and put a sanction on the Iranian, that time market will raise. Then again they will say that oh, the peace walk is there, I will do the peace this one peace meeting, means again it will fall. So this is how it market is falling down. Okay, don't worry about it. As of now, focus only two things. See, we have a key levels here. As of now, we may get a good selling trade. Good selling trade. Good selling trade. As of now. I think we can take one risk over here. Just wait for the close. Close is most important in each every candles. Okay, don't blindly jump in the trade without knowing the close. Don't try to jump. See, this close is rejection has been done. So market may fall it down. May take some time. But it's a good fall one. At least we are getting somewhere here means also it will be good. Want to take the risk? This is the better risk. Not this. And we may get a good trade also. I'm more interested in selling. The market already gone down. Now we are entered. I think this entry will make perfect for us. This entry will be the perfect entry for us. I think we should wait it down. Don't be so worried. If market is falling, also let it fall. This is the good setup. Maybe we can see the one good pullback over here. Okay, market will try to hunt it like this. The closes above this, then we can go for a good entry one. If market is falling down, let it fall down. No worries, no issues. Okay, and we should aim it as 1:2. Always choose 1:2. and whatever the trade is there and whatever risk reward you are choosing it, choose upon your account sizes. Okay, don't choose and don't see others are taking 4 lots and you can also take a 4 lot. That you cannot survive it. Okay, just I'll make it only 2 lots because copy trading is good, but without knowledge of copy trading, it may ended in bad scenarios sometimes. This is the entry and this will be the stop loss. Okay. I don't know, chances are there. It may fall also. Now this zone was a good zone for entry, but if I keep here entry, market may come and reverse from this zone, means then it is 1:1 risk reward ratio. So that reason I don't want to enter. That too Asian session, no, that much fast importance market will not fall. See, already in this zone, what market tried it out, I will going to fall down. See the liquidity hunt, everything. Okay, another just one, how many pips? Just it's left it out here is what, 63 pips. Why market couldn't able to fall this? Okay, could not able to sweep this. It will not fall. See, that is the reason I'm saying it. Every time you think as market will not do that. Market will take his own time. That too, if it's a New York session, means you would have fallen down and sweep the liquidity. Or London session also, chances are there. Immediately one pullback and immediately fall it down. Market will always prefer to, Asian session will be low volatility will be there. In London session, at least you can see the modern volatility. In New York session, you can see the good volatility. Either immediate one spike, either immediate one downside spike. This is the games market plays. If you learn the price actions, no one can beat you. First learn that. Always choose better over harder. In the sense, harder is always better. Learning the price actions and support and resistance, where is the key levels, that makes you more perfect. And most importantly, yesterday we had a good losses, so we should not be entering in the wrong trades and all. Overall, if you ask me, it is a good for selling side. We can see the selling side, but at least I want the market to at least respect this. where, where here it is a best zone for us. See, wait for the retest. If retest is not happening, market is directly falling means I don't think so. It will be a good trade. Means you can aim for a scalping. Don't go for a bigger sell. Because this breakout, why it is taking so? Why it is taking so much of time? The trade is running, that is a swing trade. That is yesterday's trade, don't worry about that. And this is exactly a plan of for a sell. Actually, swing trade, what I used is that is a buy. You don't think about it. Only think on what we are getting. And this is for a the market respect this zone of 4336 0.500. Definitely we'll plan to enter it for selling. Sometimes what happens, always, whenever be in a good profitable day, next day, with a overconfidence, I'll trade too much of. It happens. Whenever humans get overconfidence, God will show the perfect lesson for them. So always focus for weekly, you should be at least 2 to 3% of the profits. Okay, on your capital. And whatever the profit you are making for the whole week, you can take a risk on that capital. Okay, example, $100. If you're holding $100, in $100, what you should make it is focus for a weekly, at least a weekly 1 or 2%. Example, in the sense, $2 you are in the profit, you made around $5 to $6. Example, overall, like a Monday to Friday, you have made a $6. On the $6, you can take a risk. Okay, when again, if you do any losses also, you will be in safer side only, not in the losses side. Okay, like this, if you aim it down, definitely it will be a more mature trade and more confident you will be feeling. Always choose the right mentor, so that it will be always better choice for you. You can call me as a master. In this YouTube channel, everyone are disciples one. Even though no one is here big, no one is here small. Everyone are learners. Even if many people would have been spent a lot more years in the trading also, they are also learner. Every day market shows and teaches what is happening, how to everything is there. Okay, even the big players do the losses. Doesn't mean that everyone are big players are in good profit. Okay. Believe yourself, believe your process. Only focus on 3 things. One is price action, another one is supply and demand, another one is volume. Okay, these 3 combinations will definitely make you a profitable. Okay, and indicators, don't fall for too much of indicators. Indicators is only 2 things you should follow. One is 7 and 50. That is also not for the confirmation of sell or buy. It is the confirmation of whether you want to trade in the market or not. It will exactly show that whether market is in a trending or it's in a falling zone. The rejection is there from a EMA. If this candle closes very strong or no, I am convinced in here only. Waiting for the right setup also makes you better trader. Okay, don't feel for anything. Don't feel for okay, no one is watching us, no one is there, no one is looking. Once you become a trader, you will feel that loneliness earlier stage. Then definitely one day you will feel that it's a better to be in a fake people, surrounded by the fake people. It's better to be alone. They always believe one philosophy. Local buses always own 50 seats. Okay, supercars has only 2 seats. More than this, nothing you require. Nothing you require. Trust the process. Enjoy your reality. Enjoy your trades. Whatever up and down, start with the slow motivator. Don't worry for it. Don't feel at least for anything. 4337 also it's a good entry. We'll wait it, or else if any opportunity we are getting, just after the confirmation only we enter. No? If market is falling down, let it fall, let it do whatever nonsense what market. This will be more convincing. Because today's red folder day is there, so market will definitely make a sideways. Don't randomly entered and be faked. Okay. In Bitcoin, wait for it. Don't go and fall it down. Bitcoin also selling chances are there, but without confirmation going and entering in that trade, it doesn't make you anything. Because the slow momentum is there, not that much greater. You can go for a long term swing trades if you feel means this will be the perfect choice. Okay, like this, it's a perfect entry. We can give it. Risk is 1:2. Like this, you can plan it. Okay. For a Bitcoin, as of now, we'll watch the gold. Breakout has happened. The HFT is on is there. Market may fall it down. Don't worry, if market is giving in your entry only, you trade it, or else don't take a trade. That's it. Don't fall for a wrong trades also. Okay, don't fall for a wrong trade. If you get an opportunity, then only you enter. Scalping is good enough for here now. I don't think the market will fall for. If it's falling down, they can do a scalping also. Sweep is upside sweep is most important. No, actually we didn't made an entry. Don't need to worry about it. Okay, no need to worry about it. Because if you see 1 hour candle, it's already in a sideways only. In that sideways, don't go and fall it for a wrong side also. Selling is there. Without worry, hesitation, selling is there. Market is there showing. Just we should wait for another few minutes. If you're getting opportunity, then again we may get from like this also. Chances are there. Okay, don't need to worry. Like this also we may get. Actually now market is not. It is making a way for a evening trade. Okay, that is reason also should be there. Market wants to fall, it will not fall like this. Because sellers now taken the control slowly. So this is the place where we can enter it. A small scale 1:2 will plan it, not for a bigger trades. Like this will plan. 1:2 will plan. And else we may get an opportunity here also. Without confirmation, should not end. Overall now it has turned it. There good bearish candle formation happened, then slowly it has turned. That's okay. And whatever the doubt is there, you can message me, you can ask me. This channel is purely for education, and there will be no promotions, nothing. Open this account from that link and this link. There will be no link, nonsense, nothing. Just a pure education. Daily morning and evening live sessions will be there. You can join it down. You can become one of the disciples of this channel. Okay, and there will be no any promotion in this channel. There is only a pure education formation will be there without hesitation. See, once you know where to get enter, what is the price action is saying, definitely without hesitation you are going to be one of the best trader in India, because in the worldwide people are more technically, if you're choosing is where to enter and where not to enter. That is also there. This zone is a good zone. Even this zone is also good zone. This zone it will become 2, but this zone was wonderful. This zone, if market would have been gone here and fallen down, no, it easily we would have got this target around 4,306. Okay, now at least we can aim for this. The Asian session try to capture it around 50 pips to 100 pips, and New York session try to capture it around 100 to 150 pips. The market may move immediately up and down and all, it may happen, but the thing is, what is the pips you are capturing, that makes more money. If you are able to capture just at 10 pips, okay, 0.1 lot you are entered, means 10 pip is equal to $1. Same 0.5 lot sizes, 10 pips is equal to $5. Same 0.50 mini lot size means 10 pips is equal to $50. Same 1 lot size is equal to 10 pips. Just I'm saying 10 points. Okay, that is equal to $100. So choose your journey with a very careful. Okay, I'll show you. You can see this candle, right? From year to year, 138 pips. 138 pips is equal to $1 if you put also. It have been how much? $138. One just $100 if you are directly able to capture it, no? You will be in some other level. You will become a perfect trader without hesitation. See, that trade just messed it out. Yet we have this zone. Okay, we have a this zone because market showed higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high. See this small 1 week. Okay, just a small 1 week it has given up and then it has fallen. Sometimes this happens. Not even able to recognize this. See how small wick it is. This is all because of spreads. And if you are doing a standard account in XNS, you will be knowing spread. And even in the Vantage, even in XM also, spread size will be different. People doesn't know what is the spread. Sometimes what they will thinking be, we can enter from this zone. Like this they will be thinking. We'll see. We got a good opportunity. We'll plan one small trade here from this zone. Because this will be the first trade in session. No, without hesitation, market closed here. Clear SQ also. That is also a sell. Any candle confirmation will wait it. Always waiting makes more perfect. I'm not saying should wait for all the trends. Let the candle close in our favor, no? Candle close here bullish candle, then simply entering in this trade doesn't make any sense. Okay, any rejection candle from this zone, then it is a good trade. At least we can enter like this. candle closing is most important. If this candle closes above somewhere here, then it is failed. Entry will be failed. This candle closes below here somewhere, then it's a good entry. And if it's an indecision also, it's a good one. We wait for the next confirmation candle, then we should enter. That's it. See, this channel is all about the basic English. It will be. Don't feel that maybe in Hindi, maybe in a Telugu, maybe in a Tamil, maybe in other languages. It's better a basic English. Basic English in the sense, whoever can able to handle the trades, whoever know about the trading, definitely they can understand the basic English. So that is the reason I kept it here. Yes, it should close in a at least indecision bluish candle also. It's good. Yes, now we can enter the small stop losses, and without stop losses don't trade. First TP will be this. First TP in the calculation, always think that it is not a TP. You can make it a stop losses into break even. Okay. Entry is done. Manage your proper stop losses also. $50 points, 50 pips is there, and target is 1:2. That's a good trade. A good setup also. We are thinking for a good trade. This is the first trade from morning sessions. Okay. Manage your risk. Don't go full quantity in one lot. Always choose the better one, better thing. The upside trade is running. That is a swing trade. No, don't think much about it. Only focus on this trade. We got a good rejection. Once this low has been breaking out, then you get your stop losses to the break evens. We should, with a careful, we should wait it. That's it. And the two things always remember: once you make a stop loss in one zone, why we kept a stop loss here? Because this where exactly market buyers are showed indecision, because they are not strong enough to take the market towards the upside. Okay, that zone we kept it as a stop loss here. So if market reverse, it may respect the zone and also it may break it up. So that is the reason we kept a stop losses over there. That is the psychology behind it. And moreover, market structure is now slowly making higher high and lower high and lower low. And this is a good trade setup. If it's take time also, that's okay, not an issue. Follow your risk management. If and once immediately another red candle, don't bring your stop losses to nearby, then you cannot able to trade like that. For the scalping it's good, for the intraday trading it will not make sense also, and you will not learn. And always choose the 3 steps. One is start with earlier stages. If you are an early beginner, learn with the demo. And if you are moderate, from the last 2-3 years you are doing the trading, you are not that great enough, you are not even done your break even, means do with the funded accounts. That's okay. Whatever funded account you are getting in the market, in the world, you just choose it, select, do your psychology levels, do your research, everything, then choose one. Until the third payout you are taking, okay, till the third payout you are taking, you should not go for a real account. Once the 3 back-to-back payout or 3 payout you are taking, means use that money for a real account. Then start your journey with a slowly. Maybe you will get a lot of experience. Like that only you should do it. With your capital directly, don't jump or dive into the real accounts. Maybe XNS not there in India, but then too you can open in various XMS there. Some other good brokers are there. Choose wisely and select which is the better for you, then think about it. As we expected, market didn't go to that level, that reach, but market given as a nearby zone only. Consider that as an entry. That's it. Nothing to worry about. This zone should, this level should break with stronger candle. Then we are more convinced for downside trade. Okay, this zone should break like a stronger candle. Only rejection is happening, but the reality I'm saying. See, that zone should break with a stronger candle. In the sense, it should close below that. If it's not close below that, then sideways slowly momentum will happen. slowly momentum will happen. We cannot able to find the fast momentum. The target we may not get faster. So that time you can get it out. Yes. In a sense, just one more minute is there. One more 2 minutes is there. Wait for the candle close. Candle close should be below that level. Then that trade is more convinced for a whatever view is there for us as a selling now right now is there, no, that will be more convinced. If that is closest above above that line means it will take some more time. Yes, good, good. See, only 9 seconds is there. Closing is most important. That can. Done, but not that great. Not that great either. So without hesitation, do one thing. Now get your stop losses to the break evens. Okay. Now get your stop losses to the break even zone, so that if market reverse also, you should not be in a loss. Always trade secure your capital. That is most important in the trading. Okay, break even or cut to cost. If market goes in our favor, we'll get a good profit. If market is not going in our favor, we'll be in lost in that trade only. We can do another trade with the same capital. So like this mindset only you should make in the trading. Okay, don't think too much about anything. Only focus on what you can able to do that. Because here this continuation bluish candle should follow it in 5 minutes candle. But if here one seller is there, means here one demand zone is availability is there. So market will try to push it from here again backwards also. Chances are there. I'm not saying it may be useful, because the chances are there. This zone may act as a support also sometime. Okay, this zone. So that is the reason I told it on make it this. Because if this candle closed somewhere here, no, below this with a stronger candle closing, then it will be more convincing. Okay, how many pips we got? Around where we entered. How many pips we got it? 46 to around 46 pips. Okay, I told 50 pips is better, and to capture 200 pips it's even better. Now without a risk-free trade, you'll be more sufficient, right? So that's how you should trade in any market, even in a Bitcoin, anything. Just see the trades. Sorry. See, this is how this fellow will act. That's okay, not a issue. Not a issue. Don't be panic, because we are entered in a right. Market only take, if you go, if you lose, we will take only that much. Or else we would have taken the 40 pips also, right? Like that only we should trade it, without hesitation, without worries. We got it by 230, but we are made a risk-free zone without hesitation. Don't need to worry about it, because this fellow made us a little bit confusion in the market. That's okay, not an issue. First trade what we have taken is was a break-even zone or a small stop loss. This is all because of the spike. Okay, broker will allow you that voluntarily he will take it up. I kept it for around $100 in positive wave only. Then also is cancelled the around $250. This is how market will behave. Now again he will come to this zone. Okay, in this zone he will be roaming again. Now again he will come to this zone, morning, where we are expected to take a trade. Then again he may fall. This is how market works. Like this we have planned it, right? The morning, if you go back in a little bit of video and backwards, and overall it's selling only, without hesitation, without doubt. You can be very confident that selling only is there. There is no buying as of now. But keeping with the security and confident and everything, they're very good for us. No, we'll wait for this zone now. Don't go again for a selling here. Wait for this zone. This zone is also good zone, because liquidity has been more, has become more now. Even sell can happen. Even sell can happen. It may fall from this zone also, but it will be risky for you guys. We don't know what this market is going to say and what market is going to do. So we should be very careful on what is market. This fellow, this is a buying zone. The sense this acted as a support zone. I told you, right? If you little bit forward, if you see also, this will be there, because if the continuously bluish candle is formation is happening, means market will tend to fall it down further. And if you see the candle close very clearly also, the 5 minutes, if you see this candle close was above here. If candle close was little bit stronger here, pushed it down, means we would have been convinced like, okay, market is going to fall it down. And overall, if you see a day candle also, it is showing a selling pressure only. Market is have a selling pressure because market has already made a one good push towards the upside. Market will definitely try to push it downside. No, as of now, going and selling is the worst idea. I don't think so. We can take one small trade towards the upside. This will be the scalping trade. So this will be the stop loss. Will be the second trade for us. Seller is failed. That trade is failed. Guys, see how it is running. See how it is running. If we got a smaller thing also, we can achieve it without hesitation. Okay, see this. This fellow made us a wrong entry and this fellow made us a right entry. That's it. Now at least again this candle should be in a break even. There should be no losses. Okay, when market is not giving in our side, we should focus on other side. First TP is done. Around how many pips we captured? Here to almost see 71. I'm expecting at least market should give this much. We already made a risk-free zone. If you're watching for the first time, kindly do the subscribe button and kindly hit the like button. So whenever we are getting a trade also, definitely we'll update you anything. Okay, without hesitation, you can do one like button. Don't worry, you're not taken the trade, not an issue. Not an issue. This is just a scalp only, and overall if you see, this is now it's in a selling only, it is not a in buying. Just this candle made us through that liquidity sweep. Okay, this liquidity sweep, market will try to hunt this liquidity sweep. This is the first and this will be the second. For made it a risk free, then to I'm just saying it, this can be a second TP4. And now you don't enter, because if anything goes wrong also, one reversal candle also, it may take you SL. Don't do that. And people will, after seeing this candle, definitely they will try to enter in that candle for a selling side, because the rejection is from upside. Many people will think, okay, this is the right entry, we can do it. Like this also it will happen. You should be very accurate in the zone. Once the zone we get it down, you should think that okay, this zone will work at the buy side also, it may work as a sell side also. Zones are most important, not about how you are entering, where you are entering, and for a overall trend is bullish or bad, bearish. No, not that. It is all about the zones. Zones will act perfectly. See, if I want to book it down, I would have booked it here, right? I would have booked it here. Okay, in the same zone, if I want to book it here, I would have booked it here, right? That is not a trading, that is called as a scalping. If you want to be strong enough, means you should know how to handle the stop losses. First one. Second one is at least try to come out in a break even. Third is only target. Okay, don't directly jump into the target. If you're taking one lot size also, example, just I'm giving an example. If you're taking a small lot size also, if you're feeling little bit nervous, or you're feeling, oh my god, if this candle reverses, meant what will happen, like this of a fear, if you have also, you're taking a wrong lot sizes. Okay, that will definitely will sue you. Always take a affordable lot sizes 0.1, 0.2 as on your risk reward, which makes you perfect. Okay, risk is all about, if you're taking one example, you have $1,000, in that directly don't directly take a 0.10, 0.10 or 0.50. Go for a smaller lot size. If market reverse also, you should not feel for anything. See, in this trade also, I have taken the two trades. One is yesterday's night swing trade I have taken in a buy side. Okay, that is yet running. Now, as if you see, I was thinking that to sell from this zone. Already I have taken one buy zone, buy trade, and again I have taken here sell. No, this is called as a, that is for swing trade. This is for intraday trade. Okay, swing overall is, I am thinking market will definitely reach a bullish momentum. That's are there. So people are more convinced in this candle now, because continuously from this zone only it is getting rejected. No, they will be thinking, okay, it's a good entry. Chances are there. But at least market is falling from this zone, it's very good. Asian session, no, market will not give that much easily points. It will take a lot of time, it will waste your time, then it will give accurate zones. Just buyers and sellers are fighting in that zone. Who wants to be and who wants not to. That is the exact zone where market tried to push it down from that zone. Closing is must now. Closing above the trend line, already rejection we have got it down, then it will fastly it will give next candle. Doesn't closed in indecision or something, it is closed. It's happening. Asian majority 50 pips, 100% sure. Sure on that. 100%. Here also much better. From year to year, see 41 pips. From year to year, if you think 67 pips. 50 pips is 100%. If you're clear enough to trade, no, definitely you can do you can capture the 50%. 50 pips, 50 points. Don't think this is a losses trade. This is a swing trade. 0.5 lot is a swing trade. Don't worry about it. Just I kept a stop losses below that. This is the day trading, intraday trading. We have taken one that was in a break even first trade, and second trade, and immediately we have taken this. This is as of now it's running in a 2K. Because lot of the sellers are sitting in this zone. Okay, they would have made a stop losses somewhere here. They would have sitting here. They'll be in a panic, almost in a panic attack only. See, if I keep this as a break even, then I'll remove this. Always remove. Come on, come on, come on. Markets know where is exactly people would have entered after seeing. See, many people will trade after seeing the confirmation. Okay, this is a huge lesson. This will be the huge lesson for you guys. I think this will be the eye opener for disciples. Okay, the people who are watching here and watching the video after the highlight video also. Always remember, many traders, okay, in the worldwide, call this as key lesson. Many traders in the world always see the confirmation. Okay, see, many people would have bought from this zone. Okay, after this red candle formation, many people would have entered here. Okay, stop losses where it will be. Stop losses will be above that confirmation candle only, no, majority times. So that trade, it can be a good for us. The market will take that and immediately it may fall it. Chances are like that also. Okay, always remember that. This is how market works. Whenever one do a red candle in 5 minutes, no, everyone are watching, that means it can be a liquidity, because market is falling continuously from that zone, means they will shift it up. Even the swing lows, swinger high, swing low is there, no, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower lower low, lower high, lower low. The market is forming like this. Example, this is just example. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. What the people will do, they will do see the confirmation candle. Okay, the confirmation candle is, example, we'll take this. What they will do is, they will keep the stop losses on this one. This is a liquidity hunt. Okay, this is how market play. Okay, this is how market play. And what after this, no, they will not give the opportunity for to break this low. What happened here is, market came here, after seeing the red candle, there would have many people would have entered here. Then it has showed us a very good red candle. After this candle formation, another one inside candle formation is happening. See very clearly, this is an inside candle, bluish candle, and sellers tried it here to push it down the market, but they failed. In the sense, they failed it. Then slow buyers has came here. Then after this rejection, people would have thought market will go further down. Then they got trapped. So this liquidity is gone. This liquidity is gone. Market tried to push out and sweep this liquidity. What happened here is, many people would have kept a stop losses yet here. Mature traders would have kept the stop losses above this. So chances are more that market will try to hunt it down. See only one wick it has given directly. Now he will continue the trend. Okay, we'll do one thing. got a good scalp here. Let's just wait it. Already we made a, but at least this stop loss not go anywhere. At least we'll book a fill here. Zone. Okay. $1,000 will. It was also will get $1,000. People who are holding, they can hold it up. And second TP is this. Second TP chances are more higher because market wants to come here this zone and it may get fall down this zone. Because from the morning sessions, I was more interested to sell from this zone, not from this. Okay. It is not a bullish confirmation. When the bullish are too stronger, no candles formations will be like this. You can consider that as a bullish R in control. Okay, they would have booked the profit here and then they would have kept quiet like that. Now if you see one green candle, one red candle, one green candle, again red candle, means it is not a confirmation candle. It is almost a sideways candles or indecision candles. The market doesn't know where to go. It will come to the back to the same zone where sellers are not stronger enough to push it down. So where this exact strong sellers are sitting on this zone, right? So again market will come, they will punch the trades, then again it may give a good fall. This only market work. Okay, if you're new, means directly watch every day's highlight videos. Okay, maybe it's just a video for me, but it will be eye opener for many people. Why we have taken the trade on that zone, why we kept stop losses that zone, and why we traded like that. It will be a huge for us. Here we keep second TP as the target price. Keep here. If it's go, we'll get $1,000. If it's come, we'll get a 4,000. That's it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and kindly important that always follow the rules and regulation when you are trading it now. If you are watching for the first time, kindly support our channel to giving a like, and any doubts are there means kindly comment it down. Definitely, without hesitation, I am there to help you out with the proper moral support. Last but not least, Telegram channel is there in the description. You can click it down and you can see it down, and you can join the Insta also. Follow me so that whatever the updates is there regarding the news, regarding anything about the trading, just I'll be updating there. So it will be a easy touch for you to know about what is happening in the market. Okay. Thank you so much. We will see in the next video, the New York session, in a live session. Thank you so much. Have a great day.